Hello friends, this is Manas Tripathi here. Today we'll learn how to install rhel7 on a virtual machine. So for that, what I have to do is I have to install a VMware workstation, and I did that. I installed VMware workstation 11, and on top of that I'll install rhel7 64-bit, and let me show you how. Now I'll click on this create virtual machine. I'll choose typical, then I'll install the operating system later. I have to choose Linux, and then from the drop down menu I have to choose Red Hat Linux 7 64-bit and press next. Then what I have to do is I have to give a path where my uh, virtual machine will save. I have created this folder already, so I have given that path straight away. Now I'll press next. It will take a minimum as 20 GB for Red Hat 764-bit, and then I'll press next. At this prompt I can customize my hardware. You can see by default it has taken 2 GB of RAM. I'll settle it to 1 GB of RAM. Then what I'll do is I'll set to a ISO image path from which it will it will boot the OS and will install rhel7. So I'll choose the right ISO. This is my ISO, right? I'll do open, then close. Then we're all done. I'll press finish. We're all done. Now what I have to do is I have to power on this virtual machine. Now you can see that this virtual machine is booting from that CD. Now what I'll do is there is three options: troubleshooting, install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7.1, test this media, and install Red Hat Enterprise 7.1. So I'll choose install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 1. Then it will start. I'll press enter again. Then it will start the installation process. Started the installation process, as you can see on my screen. Now at the screen, I'll choose English, which is already selected. Then I'll press continue. It will go to the another prompt. I'll change the date and time. I'll choose Asia, then Kolkata as an then I'll change the timing, that is to 2200 hours 51 minute. Date is right. I'll press done. Keyboard is okay. Software minimal installation. Kdump is enabled. Yeah. Installation source is local media. That it'll take whatever required from the ISO. Then what I'll do is it's already I'll just have to just confirm that yeah, I will do the automatically configure partitioning. I'll show you the manual one in a different video, but for now I'll go with the automatically configure partitioning stuff. I'll press the done button. We are almost done. Now I'll do a begin installation. Let's see. What I'll do is I'll set up the root password. Press done. I have to twice press the done because I'm setting a weak password. So I'll create another user as well, so that I can show you that we have created the user as per the as like I can show you in the once the system has been rebooted and installed, I can show you that this user has been created. I can specify advanced option for this user, otherwise I can do save changes, then press the done button twice. We are done. Currently system is installing. You can see in script systemd and everything that's being installed. Now you can see the kernel is being installed. Currently it is doing the post installation setups. Now you can see that it has installed the bootloader, then init ramfs. We are pretty much done with the installation. I'll have to reboot, and once I have reboot that machine, it will go to. Now once I reboot this machine, it will go to the CLI, and from where we'll log into this server and see like is it installed as per the specification or not. Press enter. It will now start the services. Yeah, now I have to give root, then the password which I have set. Yeah, it's logged in. I'll check if the user is there now, there or not. No, I typed that wrong username, so yeah, yeah. So it is there. And have you guys noticed one thing that I haven't said the uh, host name? So it is same like local host. Yeah. So guys, we are pretty much done with the installation part now. The thin provisioning, about of RHEL thing provisioning in the LVM of RHEL7. I'll show you that, show that to you in a different video. For now, saying bye. This is Manas Tripathi. You are watching RedHat Linux 7 64-bit installation on a VM.